Now I buy ham and cheese without fear of spoiling. No more waste. So folks, check this out. I bet you've been through this before. When you buy cheese or ham and then it ended up spoiling in the fridge, anyone who regularly consumes these cold cuts knows how quickly and easily they can spoil. Pretty often, you grab some from the fridge to prepare a particular recipe and have this unpleasant surprise. So now I'm gonna show you a very simple solution. I'll teach you step by step, so this never happens again. So first, we're gonna need 2 containers, with lids and well sanitized. One for the cheese and the other for the ham. Here's where people usually make the first mistake, is storing them in the same container. You need to store them in different containers, not only for better organization, but also to avoid the risk of one contaminating the other. Alright, now we're also gonna use paper towels. If you don't have paper towels at home, you can also use napkins. The result is the same. Position the paper towel the way I'm doing here, and then place the cheese and ham on it. Go ahead and do the same in both containers. There are several recipes we can make with ham and cheese, like pizza filling, snacks, sandwiches, and much more. And of course, I love all of them. But it's terrible when you need some slices of ham and cheese to use, and it's already starting to look bad. Even in the fridge, they deteriorate quickly, and waste is inevitable. It has certainly happened to you too, but from now on, it won't happen again. After placing the cold cuts in each container, just finish with another sheet of paper towel. And by doing so, they'll last much longer. This happens because the paper towel absorbs all the moisture. The less moisture, the fewer fungi, and the lower the chance of spoiling. Also, there are 3 main problems with excess moisture. Some types of cheese end up being more exposed to the action of fungi and mites, which ends up altering the taste. These microorganisms contaminate the product and can cause it to spoil. And then, if consumed in this state, it can trigger allergic reactions and intestinal problems. That's why it's ideal to control the moisture and always keep the container dry and sanitized. Now you see how important it is to store it this way. You save your money, won't waste ingredients, and also they'll last much longer. So that was today's tip. I hope you really liked it. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.